River Narmada first. River Narmada, it acts as a border between the southern India and northern India. Now let us see what is the length of the river. It flows at a distance of its length is about 1312 kilometers. Okay, it flows through the Gulf of Khambat and then into the Arabian Sea. Now, children, Narmada River is the alone river in India which runs in a rift valley, okay, running west between the Vindhya and the Satpura mountain ranges. Now, let us read about the Narmada Valley. Narmada Valley, it is a depressed means deep block of land. It is a deep block of land which has been formed as a result of bending of the northern peninsula during the formation of the Himalayas. In the picture you can see the Narmada river flowing through a rift valley. Reading about the Nile Valley. Okay, the word Nile, it means river valley. Okay, now this Nile river, it flows from Burundi to the Mediterranean Sea and it covers a distance of 6,650 kilometers, which makes it the longest river in the world. Now the Nile river, it is formed by three main streams. They are the Blue Nile and the Atbara, which flows from the highlands of Ethiopia, and the White Nile, the head streams of which flows into the lakes Victoria and Albert. Plateau. A plateau is a raised area of land with a flat top. So how a plateau is different from a mountain? The mountains, they have the peak, a sharp peak at the top, but the plateaus, they have a flat top. Okay, this is the difference between a plateau and a mountain. Okay, what is a plateau? It is a raised piece of land with a flat top, but the mountains, they are also a raised piece of land, but at the top they are having sharp peaks. Okay, now children, plateau is also known as a tableland because at the upper portion of the plateau, it is flat just like a table. A plateau, it may have one or more sides with steep slopes. Now some of the major plateaus of the world are East African Plateau in Kenya, Tanzania and Uganda, and the Western Plateau of Australia. Okay, apart from this, we are having the plateau of Tibet, which is at the north of the Himalayas, which is the highest plateau in the world.